Quick field test of the Garmin Instinct E45mm in 2026. And I'll be honest, this one is a bit of a mixed bag. On paper, it's built like a tank. You've got a fiber-reinforced case, military-grade shock resistance, and 100-meter water rating. I wore it through hikes, rain, and gym sessions. No issues at all. Battery life is the real highlight, about 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and roughly a full day of GPS tracking. But the trade-offs are obvious. The screen is that old-school black-and-white MIP display, super readable outdoors, but it feels dated. And inside, you're getting pretty basic health and fitness tracking with an older heart rate sensor and no advanced training tools or maps. So, here's the deal. If you just want a tough GPS watch with great battery life, it works. But at this price, I'd seriously compare it to something like the Garmin Instinct 2, which often gives you more features for similar money. Worth it? Only if it's heavily discounted.